Becoming a creator of talent requires a complete shift in mindset and strategy. And that requires a lot of extra work, a lot of extra time, and obviously a lot of extra money. We hear you, and we're committed to making it easier. So today, I'm thrilled to announce that here at Pluralsight, we've shifted our strategy to deliver enterprise-ready solutions built on top of our core OS. We make it as easy as possible so you don't have to do that extra work. Let me walk through each one and then give a few examples, because we know that every person in every organization needs technology fluency. And that's why today we're excited to launch our brand new tech fluency solution called Tech Foundations. Tech Foundations empowers every employee, regardless of technical background, to become fluent and conversant in key disruptive technologies that are going to matter over the next decade. It's as easy as TikTok for tech skills, minus the dancing. And it's very professional. And ultimately, will deliver the outcomes. But just like TikTok, it's highly engaging. And it costs less than a cup of coffee per employee per month. And while everyone needs some level of tech fluency, we know that many team members also need higher levels of tech proficiency, mastery, and ultimately expertise. And that's where our upskilling and reskilling solutions come into play. For years, this has been what we've been best known for at Pluralsight and still are. But we found new ways to speed things up here. We've had thousands of customers combine our OS capabilities that I talked about earlier with our expert instructors and program design consultants to build custom academies. These academies can speed up your upskilling and reskilling efforts overnight, where individuals and teams can assess their capabilities going into the program using our digital capabilities, and then they can progress in a very personalized way, allowing individuals to skip over the pieces they don't need, and ultimately deliver the outcomes for the business faster. This hybrid approach of cohort-based learning combined with our powerful digital platform have been a game changer for many of our customers. In that journey together, we've seen many customers even shift to specialized academies in specific domains, like a cyber academy, a cloud academy, and those are driving awesome initiatives within their businesses. And guess what? We have you covered there too. Let me talk a bit more about the cloud. Today, our cloud transformation solutions are the fastest and easiest way to build the talent you need to drive cloud strategies. Based on your current cloud maturity level, this solution helps you turn cloud theory into cloud action, providing data on where to focus your efforts, certification prep to increase confidence and reduce risk for the business, and ultimately those hands-on labs and custom cloud sandboxes that build expertise and real-world experience as your teams dig in. We're excited to announce that our cloud transformation solution now offer all new cloud services. With this new suite of cloud services, our experts meet you wherever you are in your cloud journey, whether you're focused on building cloud literate, cloud ready, or cloud native teams. Now, beyond cloud maturity, there's another big challenge many of you share right now. Over the past few years, you've been hiring more new developers than ever before, thanks to the Great Resignation. So now it's more critical than ever to reduce the time from hire to first code commit. We have to improve that hiring process. Every day you save in developer onboarding is value for the company. But according to Gallup, 88% of tech organizations don't do this well right now. And every new engineer that you hire introduces new friction into the software delivery lifecycle. So we need to attack this head on. That's why our developer onboarding solutions are uniquely focused on providing a turnkey solution for onboarding developers quickly and effectively. In fact, we have many enterprise customers who run their entire engineering onboarding program through Pluralsight, reducing time from hire to first code commit by anywhere from 30 to 60 days. And finally, we know that many of you are committed to diversifying your tech workforce. In fact, this may be one of the most powerful ways we can advance it. Here at Pluralsight, we think deeply about how to help underserved talent build the skills they need to enter our workforce, to close the initial opportunity gaps that lead to future skill gaps and result in our collective diversity gaps. And that's why at Pluralsight, we offer our Pluralsight One Opportunity Academies. We're committed to developing the world's tech workforce from all backgrounds and all experience levels to help you build diverse teams where diverse experiences power your new solutions. So this gives you a taste of the suite of enterprise-ready solutions we're bringing to market right now. And there will be more in the future. These solutions will drive your competitive advantage, your operational excellence, and the resiliency of your tech talent. And in the future, you can count on us to provide not only the best content, but the best solutions for every outcome, every role, and every team in your organization. This is how you advance your tech workforce.